The holidays are here and it's time to light up our crafting. We are going to make paper holiday luminaries today using Aleene's Tacky glue. And these are so easy. Once you get the hang of it, you can customize it, add your own flair to it, and create the perfect paper holiday decor. And hold it all together with Tacky glue. You guys ready? All we need for this project is paper, scissors, Aleene's Tacky glue, and if you want to add some embellishments like sequins and ribbon. Let's start making. How beautiful are glowing luminaires. I love them. Think about having a candlelit dinner for the holidays. I don't know about you, but this is a pretty fun craft that you can make in just a few minutes. All right, let's turn those lights back on. All right, it looks good even in the light. I hope you love this project, and for more creative projects that you can make with Aleene's Tacky glue and their other great adhesives, make sure you visit their blog and follow them on social. And of course, stay tuned because I've got more great holiday crafts coming up on CraftBox Girls. Happy holidays, friends!